In the next 10 minutes, you are going to have a whole new idea about trading, a whole new psychology about trading. You're going to be able to know when the market is going to be buying and when it's going to be selling without needing any mentor to tell you so. That is the reason for this video. Today, we're going to be discussing about institutional order flow. And no, it's not about ICT. It's not anything ICT related. It's not about order block or any of that. No, we're simply talking about price action and market structure. Okay. Now, as you all know, my videos usually they are basically linked to one another. Okay. And before you can watch this video, you should check out my other video, which is talking about trends and in-depth fractality of the market, because it's going to give you a clearer view about this particular video. Okay, so if you want to check out the video, the link for that video is going to be in the description. Okay, so you can go through the video before continuing this one. Okay, just like I promised you, in the next 10 minutes, you're going to have a whole new idea about trading. And the fact is that, or the thing is, most times people think that trading has to be something complex. Okay, people are going to respect you or actually think more about you when they come to the chart and they see something like this. Okay, they see you doing something like this. You have a trend line. Okay, let's say you have a trend line, rectangle. You have another rectangle here, cutting it out. Okay, and you have an arrow. Okay, that is pointing like this. Okay, like this. Then another arrow that's also pointing like this. Then another one, probably like this. Then another arrow, okay, like this. Then maybe I can even make it more complex by picking out another, maybe a rectangle or anything crazy. Picking out a rectangle here, boom. Okay, picking out a rectangle here, and I'm like, whoa, okay, we are not done. Okay, so I pick out a Fibonacci, okay, Fibonacci retracement, and I do something like this, viola, okay, and you open the chart like this, and you post it, and people are going to be like, whoa, this guy know what he's doing. Wow, see the different analysis, and it's going perfectly fine in his direction. Wow, people are going to respect you more when you do something like that. They're going to think about you like, this guy know what he's doing when you do something like this. But basically, does trading have to be this hard? Does it have to be this complex? You think about it. Okay, why do people actually respect things like this more than something really simple? They like it when you draw all sort of lines, bring out all sort of tools. Okay, long position, short position, do something like this. Boom. Okay, crazy. And then they'll be like, whoa, this guy know what he's doing. He's a very good trader. Okay, maybe you bring out a test or something, write something, break of structure, discount zone, Fibonacci. So just bring out the test and just what is that test to? Okay, or even an emoji. Okay, just like an emoji, a drip emoji or anything. Put it somewhere here. Boom. Okay, so when the market gets to the drip, it's going to sell. People mostly respect things like this. And they say like, whoa. Okay, instead of shouting, this guy is a trader, you know what he's doing. Does trading have to be that complex? Sometimes there's a way you can make something simple that people will even start doubting it. You go through my videos, and my videos are very, very, very simple. And people don't even like, they're like, is this guy, can trading be this simple? Is this guy really a trader? Okay? Because people usually appreciate things that are complex. Human beings appreciate things that are complex. Okay? So, but the truth is what? Trading doesn't have to be this hard. It doesn't have to be all lines and stuff like that. No, it doesn't have to be like that. It's simple. It's very simple if you understand the basic things. And one of those basic concepts is what I'm teaching you today. So, institutional order flow, how the market move. Okay, now if you go through my videos, I told you about trends. I told you that, okay, the trends, okay, move something like this. Once in a while, it breaks shorter to a downside, and most times they continue upward. That's if it's in a downtrend, or it could easily do something like this, break shorter to the downside, and still continue going down. Okay, while sometimes market could also be ranging. Okay, so about market being an uptrend, a downtrend, or ranging. Okay, this is the same thing I speak about almost every time. You don't see me coming today to tell you a different strategy. This is another strategy that you can use to trade. No, I'm teaching you basically the same thing because this is what happens in the market over and over and over and over again. Okay, so how does the market really move? Institutional structures. Basically, it's simple. If a market is in an uptrend, is what? Is more breaking structures to the upside. Sometimes it can break structures to the downside. They still continue what? To the upside. This is what the market does every time. This is the structure. Like I said, I'm not talking about ICT today. I'm not talking about Fibonacci or anything. I'm not talking about any of that. I'm just talking about the basic concepts. How do I know if a market is going to be buying or if it's going to be selling? Look at it here. It's simple. It's the institutional order flow. You can see it. If the market is in a downtrend, it's what? This is what it's going to be doing. Okay? Maybe sometimes break straight to the upside and still continue downward. This is it. This is the order flow. This is the institutional order flow. This is the market moving. They've already shown you the footprints. Okay, now within this region is where you're going to see many other price action, probably in a lower time frame or something like that. You're going to see other crazy price action. But basically, the bigger picture is this: the institutional order flow. This is what the market does. This is how it moves when it's trending. Why sometimes the market can also what, be in a range. So it could be doing something like this. Okay, then range and still continue going up, or it could break and what continue going down. How do I know what the market is going to do? It's here, it's simple. If the market is in an uptrend, it's going to continue going up. Eventually, after taking out all the liquidity, everybody that is probably looking to probably just buy prematurely is going to take them out and still continue in the direction it's going to. Okay, you just have to learn and understand how to enter the market in the direction. Okay, but that's not what this video is about today. It's about what? Understanding what the institutional order flow, what is happening. What is happening here? The same thing is happening here. Market what? Going up. Okay, going up. Okay. Okay, now we had a hold on. Okay, bigger range. Okay, an accumulation, that is a range. And what? Going up. And what? The same thing. And now we brought straight to the downside, which is possible. And it can still going up. Institutional order flow. It is here. It's clear. The market is in an uptrend. It's going to continue going up. I wish I could shout it. I wish I could drill it into your skull. It is simple. It doesn't have to be hard. FSB, how do I know when to buy or sell? How do I know when the market is going to sell or buy? It is here. It's simple. The market is in an uptrend. So we are looking for you to continue buying. Okay? So let me zoom out a little. Let's zoom out. Let's go to a higher time frame and see. Okay, and you can see, hopefully, I don't know if we're in a range, but you can see, looking at this from here, what's the market doing? The same thing I'm talking about. The same thing I'm talking about. Okay, then went into a range, went up, now came back down. Okay, now we're looking at 30 minutes time frame. This is not even a break of structure yet. It's just made an equal low. And now it's expected to still continue going up. It is simple. It don't have to be hard. So what do I expect of this market now? Well, of course, I expect this market to take out the liquidity that resides here. So somebody buying at this condition, this situation right now, is not wrong. He could buy and put his stop loss here. It don't have to be crazy. In fact, I don't even have to draw anything on the chart. I don't have to draw anything on the chart. I can just pick out this long position tool, okay, put it here, then place my stop loss here, depending on your risk management strategy here. Then you can decide to take this trade long. Okay, take it long to clear that liquidity. It doesn't have to be hard. Can you see? Do you see me drawing anything on my chart? No. I just understood how the market moves. I just understood the order flow. The market is in an uptrend. It's clear that it's going to continue going up. Are you getting me? Now, sometimes some people try to buy in situations like this, which is possible. Okay, we should have bought. It's possible, but most of them get liquidated. Why is that? Because they don't wait for the market to show them what it's going to do yet. They don't wait for the market to show them what it's going to do. Okay, you can't be looking to buy when the market is in its phase. At least wait for the market to give you a reason to start buying. Then you can now start buying because now have a structure, a reason to go long. It doesn't have to be hard. How do I shout it out? Are you guys getting me? It's crazy. Sometimes I just want to spit it out. It doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't. Okay? Institutional order flow. What does the market do? It's what? If it's an uptrend, it's doing things like this. And if you go to a lower time frame to see this, you're going to see something going down. So this is fractality of the market, which is also explained in the video I've already explained. And eventually, soon, in that lower time frame, it's going to still give you something like this. So you can simply wait for the break of structures to the upside, knowing when the trend have changed. That's another video I've already made. You can still go back and watch it. The link is also going to be in the description. So once the trend have changed and it's now ready to start going up, you can now start buying. Targeting the next liquidity or even above it. It is simple. It is simple. Okay, like I said, I'm not going into assets. I'm not going into all those bullshit and stuff. I'm not going into that. It works, no problem. I'm not going to. I'm just telling you the basic structure, the basic concept. Okay, let's go to in fact, let's go to a daily time frame to still look at this. Okay, let's go to a daily time frame. Now, let's look at this. Okay, according to this structure we are seeing, okay, according to this portion that we're looking at, what have the market been doing? It's going up. It's going up. And which trend were we before the market entered a range? The market was what? In an uptrend, which is something I told you already. The market continued in a range. And what? This is what happens. Still continue upward. So this was expected. Okay, now at the point, probably if we're trading a daily time frame, I'll be looking for a better zone. Okay, now the strategy which I use in entering the trend is not something I'm going to discuss here because that's not the concept of today's video, but it's all available in my trading ebook. Okay, which is going to be shown on this video right now. You can see it. Okay, the strategy I use in entering my trade, everything about it is available in my trading ebook. And it's divided into 3 stages: the beginner, the intermediate, and the expert section. Everything I do, everything I know about trading is already in this book. Okay, so if you want to get the book, just follow the link in the description and it's going to direct you to a page where you can get the book. Okay, how I enter the trade is all written there. It's so explained there. All right, but this is the institutional structure. This is it. You can see it. Okay, you can see it. And now we're expecting the market to go long. It is simple. And soon the market is going to do something like this. Maybe they still continue going up. It's simple. Or they could decide to break out and continue going down, which will now still follow the institutional order flow. It's simple. Market is doing the same thing and the same thing and the same thing over and over again. It doesn't have to be complex. I don't have to come and draw double bottom, double top, order block, discount zone. No. We don't have to make it complex. How do I know if the market is going to buy or sell? I believe this short video of mine I've already explained that to you. It doesn't have to be hard. Now, let's just look at another example before I end this video. Because like I told you, I said within the next 10 minutes, I'm going to understand what's happening. Okay? And this market is in a range, okay, because we're in a daily time frame. It's basically in a range. Okay. But what happened before we entered the range? Market was following the same thing we just explained. Okay, in an uptrend. Isn't it? Breaking structures to the upside. In an uptrend, then it enter what? A range. And what do we expect? Since market was in an uptrend before it entered the range, we expect to break out of this range and continue going higher. Okay, maybe it might do something like this, they come back to this portion, but at the end, eventually, it's going to continue going here. I now know the direction of the market. What is remaining is just when to enter the market. At least if you know the direction of the market, half of your problem is solved. Are you guys getting this stuff? It doesn't have to be hard. Okay, and it pains me. A lot of people are actually suffering in the forex market, losing, and all of that. Okay? A lot of people are losing. It pains me. I wish you guys can just understand the market the way I understand it. It's simple. It doesn't have to be hard. Okay? It doesn't have to be hard. Get my trading ebook. If you actually want to understand how I enter the trade in accordance with the trend myself, get the ebook. Okay? This is the institutional order flow. Forget about all those things you see online. Just leave all those things you see online. All those so many stupid strategy. Forget about it. This is what's happening. You cannot be looking to sell. Okay, let's say we're in an uptrend and market is doing something like this. You cannot be looking to be selling at this point. It is not done. Okay, it is not done. Eventually, when the market gets to this point, it's going to give you a reason to sell and probably break it up. Okay, then you start shouting, I sold, and the market did not respect my position. Why some people will say, okay, market is going up, good, okay, so fine, market is retracing, I want to just buy. And they buy, and the market put their stop loss below, and the market take them out before the market now eventually start going up. And they complain, well, I'm always right, but the market always hit my stop loss before it goes in my direction. It's because you don't understand it. Before you can enter the market in the direction of the trend, you have to look out for some special things. One of those things you're going to look out for is for at least wait for the market to give you a hint that it's about to start going up yet. You can't just buy blindly. Every other strategy you can use to enter the trend is already in the ebook. Institutional order flow. It doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be hard. If there's one thing you take out from today's video, is that it doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be so complex. Are you getting me? It doesn't have to be so complex like the way most people make it. Okay, so let's just go to other markets. Let's just see. Okay, I just go to 5 different markets to just for me to just prove these stuffs to you. Okay, and what do you see in this market according to this portion we are seeing now? The same thing. Okay, after the market changed straight to the upside, we're now seeing what market what doing the same. And what do we expect? Still for the market to what still go up. Institutional order flow. It is simple. Go to another market. Okay, let's go to another market and see. Okay, what is happening? The same thing. Is it not funny? The same thing is still happening. Okay, the market was after the range here, market was started going up, and now it gave what broke straight to the downside, which is something I already explained that the market could also do this. Okay, break to the downside and still continue going up. What is happening now? The same thing. The same thing. I can't explain. I can't shout about this enough. It is simple. It's right in front of your face. So why are you losing? Okay, why are you losing? And yes, good, perfect example. Now look at this. Now some people are going to already be looking to sell here. Okay, because of this zone here. Some people are looking to sell. When the market have clearly shown that it's bullish, why would you be selling here? And what's going to happen is the market is going to give you a reason, okay, just like the way it did here, to make it think that it's going to sell. Some people that easily sold here, put their stop loss above here, markets would viola, take them out. Because it's clear, this is what the market is doing. And we have to continue or trade in the direction until proven otherwise, until we now see something like this. Then we can now start following what this structure. Okay, let's go to other markets. I can't shout about this long enough. You can see it. Okay, after the market changed structure here now, what's happening? The same thing. The same thing. Okay, the same thing. And this is in a downtrend, so in an uptrend. Before it started, before that, when the market was in a downtrend, what are we seeing? Well, the same thing. Okay, from this down portion, it came down, went to a range, okay, made an equal high there, then like I said, coming down until it said to now change direction. Okay, which is what you're going to understand by my change in trends video. The link is also going to be dropped in the description. And what now? The market is what? Now we're going up. What do we expect? This until proving otherwise. Said the market decided to start going down again, or maybe start ranging. So why are you always getting stopped out? Why are you always complaining? Look at it. It's the same thing. Institutional order flow. This is what the market is doing. Look at it. Okay? Look at it. Okay? And it's going to what? Still continue going up. You can see it. Doesn't have to be complex. I'm going to how many different markets now? About four different markets. Okay? And you can see this market right now. What is this market doing? If I'm to zoom out, okay? It was going up initially and then it entered what? A range. Okay, when an uptrend, okay, hold on, when an uptrend, and after that, you enter what? Broke structure downward, and you start entering what? A range. What do we still expect? The same thing. What? To still play around and still continue upward because trends don't change easily. Institutional order flow. Why are you still losing money when you understand this? Why are you still losing money? Most people don't understand how to actually enter the market. Okay, I already have a cure for that. I already have a book for that, just like I explained. Okay, and I'm sure this video is more than 10 seconds. I'm just excited to actually just let you guys understand this stuff. It doesn't have to be hard. All right. I'm going to stop this video for here today, and we can go through 20 different markets, and you see that it's the same structure, the same things that happen. The market can either be in an uptrend, a downtrend, or it can be ranging. Understand the structure and learn how to take advantage of it, and you are good. It doesn't have to be hard. So this is for today's video, guys, and I hope I actually impacted you, actually opened your eye to something that you probably did not know before. Okay, and just like I said, if you want to actually learn more, you can join my mentorship program, or you can get the trading ebook where I wrote down literally everything about trading, everything I know about trading, and everything I've ever used in trading, what works. I've already put it down in a PDF format for you. Just get the ebook, click the link in description, and you'll be directed on how to get it. All right. So this is for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment so that the video will be pushed to other people like you also that needs it. All right. This is for today's video. Peace.